What's going on, guys? Welcome back to U5 Trading, where every video is under 5 minutes and we teach you to become a better trader. My name's Andrew, and so today we're going to be talking about option buys and sells and how to find the largest ones traded in the market today. So we're going to scan for these. So what you're going to want to do is go to scan. Now, under all of the following, go to add filter and hit stock. So we're going to be putting in the Sizzle index. So if you look down here, there is a call Sizzle index and a put Sizzle index, but we're going to go to just the regular Sizzle index. So what the Sizzle index is it shows the option volume relative to the past 5 days as a percentage. So say you have a Sizzle index of 3. That means that option volume was 3 times higher today than it was relative to the past 5 days. So we're going to put a value in here. It doesn't really matter what it is. We're going to do 10 just to show you guys for now. Max we're going to leave at infinity, so we're not going to put anything in. Hit scan. Alrighty, so let's see what we got here. So ALBO had a call Sizzle index of 27 and a put Sizzle index of 815. So if you don't see these call and put Sizzle index, you could just right click on any of the tops here, go to customize, and then add over the call Sizzle index and put Sizzle index. Hit OK, and then they'll pop up. So let's check out ALBO and see what's going on. So let's go to the trade tab, type in ALBO, and then you're going to want to go to the option time and sales to see what was traded today. So the April $40 puts had a quantity of 6,000 traded today at 1:39 p.m. Eastern. So let's check these out. So we're going to go to the April tab, and so right down here is the $40 puts, and there's the 6,000 volume traded. So one thing to note is we don't know whether these are bought to open or sold to open. So there's other things that can help you figure it out down here, back in the option time and sales. If it's green, that means it was traded on the ask, which typically is a bullish sign. You buy something on the ask, you just want to get in. If you sell on the bid, or if it's traded on the bid, that's red. So that means that's most likely bearish. But this one was gray. So we don't really know if it was bought to open or sold to open. And there's no open interest, so we can't even say, oh, maybe they were closing out the contracts. So not really sure about this one. Let's go back to the scan tab and check out another. Let's pick one at random. Let's do NSTG. That had a call Sizzle index of 6.7 and a put Sizzle index of 57. So there's probably some things going on with the puts. Back to the trade tab, NSTG. So let's see what we got. Option time and sales. Alright, so there was 1,250 contracts traded today on the $5 June puts. So let's check out the $5 June puts. So June $5 puts. So there's a volume of 2,500 traded. This said 1,250, so maybe there's 2 blocks of 1,250. I mean, there's a lot more. Yeah, see all these down here. A lot more traded throughout the day. So 1,250 were traded. There's an open interest of 1,250 already. So there's a good chance that they close these out, close these puts out. And on this side, there's already an open interest on the call side of 2,500. So it seems like they closed out the puts but kept the calls open. So I just want to right click on this and check it out more. So if you right click, I don't think you guys can see it, but right click, hit more info, TOS chart, and then hit the first one. You'll see under charts this pops up, and so over here on November 10th there was a volume's up here of 751. Here there's volume of 1749. That's like 2,500 give or take. And then today it seems like it was all closed out. So let's just check out NSTG in general. And yeah, so it broke out today. So I guess that's why the puts were closed out and they kept the calls open. So it seems that the calls might they might expect this to keep going up. So yeah, it's pretty useful to use that and figure this out to see if things are gonna break out or not. Because these were bought the past 2 days. They bought the strangle. So Yeah, that's all I got for you guys.